Hello everyone and welcome to PyNubrata, Python from zero to builder. My name is Anubrata Sarkar and I'm a class 11 student, a programmer and someone who believes that one of the best ways to learn something is to build with it and share it with others. I created this channel with one simple goal to make Python understandable for anyone, even if you have never written a single line of code before. In this channel, I promise you that I will teach you Python from zero to hero. We will begin with installation and our very first line of program. Then step by step, we will explore variables, conditions, loops, functions, data structures, OOP, that is object-oriented programming, and much more. But this channel will not be limited to theory. We will solve exercises, understand common mistakes, debug how real code works, and create practical projects together. I will never ask you to copy code without understanding it, obviously. We will always explore not only how something works, but also why it works. I'm learning and building too. So this channel will be a journey that we take together. If that sounds interesting, subscribe to my channel and join me as we go from complete beginners to confident builders. Welcome once again and let us write our first line of code.